Ever felt like your sentences sound choppy, disconnected, or just awkward? Let me tell you a secret. It's all about conjunctions, the glue of language. And today, we are going to unlock the full power of conjunctions so you can speak and write like a pro. Welcome to E-Club. What are conjunctions really? Let's start with the basics. A conjunction is more than just a word. It's a connector. Think of it like a bridge between two ideas. Without conjunctions, you would be stuck with short, robotic sentences. Let me show you what I mean. Look at this example. I'm tired. I'm still working. Feels a bit stiff, right? Now watch this. I'm tired, but I'm still working. Much better, isn't it? That single word but adds contrast and makes the sentence feel complete. Let's look at another example to understand this better. You can have cake, you can have ice cream. Now combine them. You can have cake or ice cream. Only one tiny word and suddenly it flows. Think about the last time you connected two ideas while talking. What word did you use? Type it in the comments. Now, let's meet the most famous group of conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions, also known by the catchy acronym FANBOYS. Each letter in FANBOYS stands for a powerful little word that links equal ideas. So, both parts of the sentence are balanced. Let's break it down. F in FANBOYS stands for used when you are giving a reason. Example, she stayed home for she wasn't feeling well. This is just like saying because, but with a more formal tone. A stands for and. This adds information. Think of it like a plus sign in your sentence. Let's look at this example. He plays guitar and sings. Both actions have equal weight and brings them together. N stands for nor. This one is often forgotten, but it's really useful for joining two negative ideas. Example, he didn't smile, nor did he laugh. Here, nor is used with an inverted sentence structure. Notice how the verb comes before the subject. B in FANBOYS stands for but. Use this when you are showing contrast. Example, it's sunny but cold. The weather is nice, yet there's a twist. O stands for or. When you're giving options or choices. Let's look at an example. Tea or coffee. Simple and super common in everyday English. Y in FANBOYS stands for yet. This one also shows contrast, similar to but it adds an unexpected twist. Example, he's rich, yet humble. Not what you'd expect, right? S stands for so. And finally, so shows a result or consequence. Example, she studied, so she passed. One action leads to the other. All 7 of these are incredibly useful. And you will hear them in conversations, speeches, movies, you name it. Memorize FANBOYS and you're already ahead. Let's look at some real life examples where these conjunctions bring sentences to life. Watch how naturally they flow. I love pizza and I love pasta. Simple, expressive, and delicious. You can join us or stay at home. Here's a clear choice. He didn't call, nor did he text. Double negative, perfect for storytelling. She's young, yet so wise. A surprising contrast that adds depth. It was raining, so we stayed in. One event clearly leads to the next. Alright, and now it's quiz time. Which of these sentences shows contrast? Type the number in the comments and let's see who gets it right. Let's now talk about subordinating conjunctions. These are a bit more advanced, but they help you write and speak with depth. These conjunctions connect a dependent clause to an independent clause, meaning one part can't stand alone. Use subordinating conjunctions when you want to show cause, time, condition, contrast. Because it was raining, the game was cancelled. Here, the cause is introduced by because. And notice how the meaning feels complete only when the second part is added. Although she tried, she failed. This word introduces a contrast. Something that didn't go as planned. If you study, you will pass. It's a condition. You pass, but only if you study. When? Call me when you arrive. Here, we are linking an action to a moment in time. Unless. You won't pass unless you try. This one shows a negative condition without action. There is no result. Each of these helps build more complex, interesting sentences that show relationships between actions or ideas. Here are 5 more examples so you can get a real feel for how subordinating conjunctions work. Let's look at them. While she cooked, he cleaned. 2 things happening at the same time. She stayed calm even though the storm raged. She didn't let chaos outside affect her inside. Since we are here, let's start early. A reason and a suggestion combined. I'll join you after dinner shows sequence. One thing follows the other. He won't improve unless he practices. Again, a conditional relationship. Practice is the key. Pick one of these subordinating conjunctions and write your sentence. Share it in the comments. I'll read and respond to some of the best ones. Now, let's explore more advanced and elegant type of conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions. These always work in pairs and they balance 2 parts of a sentence, just like a seesaw. They are perfect for showing relationships with emphasis, contrast, or equal importance. Here are some common correlative pairs you should know. Either or, neither nor, both and, not only but also, whether or. The trick is both parts of the sentence must be parallel, meaning similar in structure. Let's break them down with some examples. Either or. Either you study hard or you'll fail the test. Now this pair presents 2 possible options and only one will happen. It's like giving someone two roads to choose from. Neither nor. Neither the manager nor the assistant was available. Here, we are saying both options are negative. None are true. This structure is especially useful in formal writing or polite refusals. Both and. She is both intelligent and hardworking. This pair emphasizes that two qualities are true at the same time. It adds power to your praise or description. Not only, but also. Not only did he win the race, but he also broke the record. This one adds a surprising twist or bonus information. It's a favorite in speeches and storytelling to build impact. Whether or. Whether you agree or not, the rules won't change. This shows that the outcome stays the same, no matter which condition happens. It's useful when you want to express certainty or neutrality. Let's bring these into real conversations and everyday English. These are the kind of phrases you might hear in meetings, essays, or casual chats. Either you come with us or you stay here alone. Giving someone a choice, clearly stated and balanced. Both the food and the service were excellent, used in reviews or compliments. This feels polished and clear. She is not only a great teacher, but also an inspiring leader. This packs a punch and builds admiration. Neither my phone nor my laptop is working. We've all said this during tech fails. Two negatives joined neatly. Whether you like it or not, deadlines are part of the job. This shows that the situation doesn't depend on personal preference. Correlative conjunctions make your English sound more advanced and expressive. Just remember to balance the sentence structure on both sides and you'll sound like a pro. Let's log this in with some simple tips you can use right away. Use FANBOYS for ideas of equal weight. Use subordinating conjunctions when one idea depends on the other. Read your sentence aloud. If it sounds smooth and connected, you've probably nailed the conjunction. And finally, practice daily. Just one sentence a day with a conjunction can sharpen your fluency fast. Language is like music, and conjunctions are your rhythm section. They keep the beat flowing. Thank you for tuning in today. Let's grow together. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and share this with someone who's working on their grammar too. Want more power-packed grammar lessons? Check out our playlist linked below. Only on eClub, where English becomes easy.